Hello friends, this is Pilot's Way channel, and today we have a very interesting video. One of my Instagram followers wrote me a message. On my Instagram I mentioned that my dream was to fly to SXM, and he wanted me to tell what it is. So that's exactly what I'm going to do today.
Рассказываю.
We are going to an unusual place, which is located south of North America in the Caribbean Sea, next to Dominican Republic.
Sint Maarten.
St. Maarten. This is a tiny island which size is 34 square miles. In comparison, Moscow is 29 times bigger than this island. But despite the size, this island is owned by two countries, France and Netherlands. Major air harbor of this island is Princess Juliana International Airport, codification SXM.
Juliana, code SXM.
This airport has a very short runway with a length of only 7,500 feet. In comparison, runway 06 of the Sheremetyevo International Airport is 12,000 feet. The airport is located on the Netherland part of the island near the city of Philipsburg. The fact that the runway is surrounded by water from both sides makes it look like an aircraft carrier. The fascinating thing is that despite the size and peculiarities of the runway, this airport can take aircraft of all types, even giants like Boeing 747 and Airbus 340. Just imagine how much experience should a pilot have in order to land these big guys on such a small piece of land. Aircraft can approach only from the sea because on the other side there are mountains. This is where famous Maho beach is located. I won't lie, at this place aircraft pass at several feet above their heads, which attracts tourists from all over the world, and it makes an incredible atmosphere. Even though the island is very picturesque, many people come here only because of this place, and I'm not an exception. There is a sunset bar on the beach where you can enjoy your mojito or Jack and Coke.
Подтягивать мохито или виски с колой.
There is even a timetable of the arrivals near the bar.
Для удобства.
Despite incredibly spectacular view of the arriving aircraft, there is also a very extreme activity. The thing is that during takeoff, aircraft produces a rather powerful stream of air. Like they say, you live only once, so I have decided to experience what it is. I thought that being on the sand would make it safer. Well, you know, after being exposed to a sand-blasting machine and making a couple of rolls towards the sea, I have decided to never repeat this wonderful activity.
Я решил больше никогда не испытывать энергию взлетающих лайнеров, так сказать, на себе. И смотрел на это зрелище только со стороны.
I have absolutely loved this place, this atmosphere and emotions, and I promised myself to visit this place again. And of course, after getting your license, how can you resist the temptation to fly to this island and land at this airport as a pilot? My relatives and friends know that if I have a dream in my head, I will certainly make it come true. And to you, my viewers, I suggest to follow this channel and join me on this wonderful journey of becoming a pilot. Subscribe to this channel and see for yourself the way of the pilot, the pilot's way. See you at the aerodrome.
На аэродромах. До скорого.